Are you having problems with not getting any views on your TikTok videos? Well, then you have come to the right video, because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first thing we're going to do is to, of course, go to our TikTok app and then log into our TikTok account. And as you can see, I'm currently on my TikTok account right now. And basically, I used to have this problem myself like a couple of months ago actually, where I was not like getting any like views on my TikTok whatsoever. And actually, I'm going to show you a way that I actually did to fix this issue. So the first thing you need to do is to come to your profile right here. And now you need to click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And in here, we're going to click where it says settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. Perfect. As you can see, we're now taken here. What we need to do in here is to just scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says reports a problem. So click on reports a problem in here. It's just going to load here for me. Perfectly. In here, we're just going to scroll down, and then we're going to click where it says submit a report. So click on submit a report in here. Just going to load perfectly. As you can see, we're now taken to this page right here, which is perfect. We're going to write like this to TikTok. So write like this: I am not getting any views on my TikTok videos. Please fix this issue for me, because the view count is very important for my TikTok user experience. So write something like this to TikTok. It does not have to be exactly like this, of course, but I think you get the point. You need to explain to TikTok that you're not getting any like views on your TikTok videos, and explain to them that this is a very important issue, or this is important for TikTok to actually fix this issue for you, basically. So yeah, you need to click after you've done that, click on submit. And basically, you need to now wait like 1 to 3 business days for TikTok to actually see your message. And hopefully after this, after they have actually seen this report right here, then hopefully they will actually fix this issue for me, or for you, as they did for me. Because I actually had this like issue way back like a couple of months ago, and I did this exact thing that I just showed you. And yeah, after that, it actually seemed to work pretty good for me. After that, I actually have one of my videos. I can go back to my profile. You can see one of my videos actually hit 1.5 million views, which is great, obviously. So yeah, I hope that this will actually work for you. And if it does not work for you, well, then it might actually be that maybe TikTok has flagged your account for some reasons. And they can also be this issue that if this is a brand new account that you have, so if you have a brand new TikTok account, sometimes it might actually take some time for like the views to start coming in, just so you know. So basically, this is exactly how to fix this issue. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.